All right, morning everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic besides your coffee or your favorite drink, depending on what time of day you're watching the video? Let's talk about these magnetic lights. Now this one I got from my son when I went up the hill. It's made by Matco. You can get these off of the truck, and you can also go to their website and you can click and you can order these. Now they run about 80 bucks and they're nice. They're very well built. It's magnetized right there. Okay, you got all the articulation you want. All right, here it click, bring it up. Okay, now the other nice thing about this before I turn it on and show you the light is you can depress. There's a catch down here right where my fingers are, and this comes right off, and it has a handle on here like this, so you can hold it and you can use it as a flashlight. Now it's got a big button here on the back, turns on. Now it goes 500 lumen, goes 250 lumen, and it's nice, and this is very handy. And here's your charging port, which is right here, and you can just recharge the battery on this. And you know what, it's very handy. However, the part about this, I took it out to the club and I was showing it to somebody. Now remember, I didn't buy this, Justin gave it to me, but I thought this is handy as hell, because I use it for a lot of things, here in the garage, the workshop, or under your car, whatever you want, because it's got the magnetic base and, like I said, the handle, and it's well constructed. It's pretty sturdy here on these edges and everything. Now, anyway, I took it out to the club, and somebody said, wow, you really spent 80 bucks on that thing? No, I didn't. Of course, there's the convenience of the tool trucks, and you go, hey, I want one, or I need it right now, and that's nice. High interest rate, pay us later, all the bad things that you hear about buying stuff off the tool truck. Irregardless, it's 80 bucks. Even if you go online, I researched it. But I'm going to show you something a lot better. Let's switch inside, and I'm speaking as though you're not a technician or you're not a mechanic. If you're a mechanic or technician and you want the higher quality, you're probably going to go ahead and get this off of the truck, or a Snap-on, or a Cornwell, or something like that. But if you're the hobbyist and the DIYer, I'm going to show you something that's going to save you a lot of money, and then you can use the cost savings and put more tools in your toolbox. So I'll meet you inside. Here we go. All right, everybody, so you saw the one that I have, which is this one right here, and it's $79.95. Let's round it, let's just say $80. So the thing is out at the club when we were out there, and when I stopped, I had somebody go, well, you should see the one that I bought. It's half of the price. It's almost exactly the same thing. So I handled theirs, I handled this, and I thought, yeah, rather than buy this brand new, what you might want to consider, and I'm going to show it to you here in just a sec, but let me flip through, let me show you the capabilities on this one more time in terms of slides real quick, then we'll switch over and I'll show you something that you might consider a good value right now. All right, here's the two-piece setup that we talked about. You just slide the clip off, slide it on, it's that easy. Very positional, like I told you, out in the garage. This is just a close-up, I kind of exploded it for you to get a good look at. All right, let's switch over. Let me show you what I think might be a better value for you, and it does the same thing. Okay, folks, here's the one from Easy Red. It's rechargeable, just like the Matco. It does all of the things that the Matco one does. Is it just as beefy and just as sturdy? No, but it runs a close second. I saw it out at the club, played around with it, and I thought this is rather impressive, and it's half the cost. And let me show you a couple of slides, and we'll come right back. Swivels 180, just like the Matco. There's another picture showing you a swivel. It's got the magnetic base. Okay, here's got the same specs like the Matco, 360 magnetic attachment. And you can see where it slides on and off there, where it says unit attaches here, just like you would on a camera or video recorder or something like that. And it's got, like I said, it swivels, it's positional, you can put it in any position, it's got the magnetic base, everything very similar to the Matco. Again, you have the 500 lumen when it's on high, you have the 250 when it's on low, has the micro USB port just like the Matco for recharging it, it's got the on and off button, everything is the same. Okay, so that's a quick overview of it. Now I'm going to leave you in the description the link takes you over to Amazon. You can read more about this before you make your decision, but it's half the cost. You can use that other cost savings, buy yourself more tools, or just enjoy the cost savings, either one. If you know of something better, go ahead and drop it in the comment below. Otherwise, I'll see you folks on the next video. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. Put out a video once a week, but those of you that know me, I work in the medical field. We've been incredibly busy, so I have not been putting out as many videos as I usually do. But when I'm out at the club, we look at these products, we test them out, and I bring them to you, and I tell you what I think. In this case, if you're in the trade, you're a technician, mechanic, yeah, you might want the Matco, the Snap-on, the incredibly costly one to say that you have it or whatever, but this is going to do the exact same job, and it's saving you 50% by going this route. So I like it out in the shop. It's real handy for clipping on the lathe, the bandsaw, or whatever I'm doing if I need that additional light. And I like the idea I can set it from the 500 down to the 250. And like I said, it is positional. It's got all the adjustments just like the Matco one. Great cost savings here if you could use something like this. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Click subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment, like I said, if you know of something better. I'll see you again soon, folks. Bye-bye.